عليه أن ينتظرنا ليس كما في السابق.
In a stark escalation of rhetoric, Hassan Nasrallah, the head of Hezbollah, issued a grave warning on Wednesday, asserting that no place in Israel would be safe if a full-scale war were to erupt between the two adversaries. His remarks were made during a ceremony commemorating slain senior commander Taleb Abdullah, who was killed in an Israeli airstrike in southern Lebanon last week. Nasrallah's comments come amidst a period of heightened tensions and violence. Since October 8, Hezbollah has been launching attacks on northern Israel, prompting Israeli reprisals and raising fears of an open war. The conflict has intensified with increasing warnings from Israel about the potential for a broader military engagement. Nasrallah explicitly stated that if Israel initiates a large-scale offensive, Hezbollah is prepared to retaliate with attacks from ground, air and sea. He ominously noted that the situation in the Mediterranean will change completely, hinting at potential strikes on Israel's offshore gas rigs and other strategic maritime targets. He further asserted that Hezbollah would employ a no-holds-barred approach in the event of war, stating, "The enemy knows well that we have prepared ourselves for the worst and that no place will be spared from our rockets." In a notable expansion of his threats, Nasrallah included Cyprus, accusing it of enabling Israeli military operations by providing logistical support. He warned that Hezbollah could consider Cyprus a part of the war and target it if it continued to support Israeli actions. Opening Cypriot airports and bases to the Israeli army to target Lebanon would mean that the Cypriot government is part of the war, and the resistance will deal with it as part of the war, Nasrallah declared. Cyprus President Nikos Christodoulides promptly responded, clarifying that Cyprus is not involved in any military operations in the region. Hezbollah recently released footage allegedly captured by one of its drones over northern Israel, suggesting extensive surveillance capabilities. In response, IDF Chief of Staff Lieutenant General Herzi Halevi downplayed the significance of the footage, affirming that the IDF is prepared to counter such capabilities and possesses far superior ones. As tensions continue to mount, the region remains on edge, with both Hezbollah and Israel preparing for potential escalations. The international community watches closely, concerned about the implications of a broader conflict that could destabilize the entire eastern Mediterranean.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.